Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Salesforce Sandbox data, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Data, then select Data Management. Click on Sandboxes to view the list of your sandboxes. Identify the sandbox from which you want to uninstall data. Click on the Manage link next to the selected sandbox. In the Sandbox Management options, select Delete. A confirmation message will appear. Review the details and confirm your decision to delete the sandbox. After deletion, go back to the Data Management section. Select Data Import Wizard if you need to import new data. For removing specific datasets, navigate to Object Manager. Select the object that contains the data you want to uninstall. Click on Data to access records of that object. Use the filters to find the specific records you wish to delete. Select the records by checking the corresponding boxes. Once selected, click on the Delete button. Confirm the deletion when prompted. After completing the deletions, ensure to check the recycling bin. This helps verify that the data has been removed successfully. If you need to permanently delete from the recycling bin, go to Recycle bin. Select the items to be permanently deleted. Click Delete to finalize the action. Regularly check sandboxes for any remaining test data. This practice helps maintain an organized and efficient environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.